What is up, guys? We just got back from work and actually just came home from work, and this is what was on the porch. Let's see what this is. Alright, so I know I haven't made a video in quite some time. Yeah, it's been pretty busy here. But I was able to stop at Target on my way home, and obviously I did not get this there. But I did get something I really truly needed, and this is kind of rare considering that it's June now, and we ended up finding a Mud Treads Megalodon with the black logo, which I currently did not have in the collection. So, pretty cool. That was there. It was actually the last Megalodon, but a bunch of these. So this is pretty cool. We end up getting the zombie here, the zombie dirt playset. This is pretty cool. There's a bunch of these in Targets now, so hopefully you guys can find them. I really can't wait to see this truck and review it. But moving on into today's video, we ended up getting this in the mail. So I honestly don't know what this could be. Obviously it's gonna be a SpinMaster truck. I really hope it's mixed 4. And speaking about mixed 4 trucks, when we went to go see I guess the Gravedigger at the Walmart, I was really hoping to be, mixed 4 trucks there and everything, and there was only one. I saw one. It was Captain's Curse, and that was really honestly it. So can't wait to see what this is. Let's take a look. All right, guys. So right when I opened this, the box kind of like popped open right there. As you can see, there is bubble wrap in there. Not too sure what it is, but I am happy we found these. So whatever this could be, I really hope this is a Mix 4 truck. I'm really expecting it should be, hopefully. So let's take a closer look here as we got a little baggie. Looks like we got the truck itself. I don't want to ruin the surprise yet. And looks like there's nothing in there. So let's take a look at the back of the card and see if we can guess. Alright, so this is definitely a Mix 4 truck. And I am missing Big Kahuna. So there is one truck on here I am not seeing. And if you guys do know Mix 4, you might know what it is already. Wow, okay, whoa, cool. But anyway, yeah, Big Kahuna. That one I need, and the training truck I need. So hopefully, I mean, obviously it's one of them. Let's just see what it is. Let's open this. I can't wait any longer. I see the white tire. Is it? Yeah, dude, sweet. Alright. So we got the training truck Megalodon, which is pretty cool. That thing looks amazing, dude. Dude, I love the turquoise in the rims. Dude, the white tires. That's pretty sick. We got the gray on the training truck part. Let's look at the card. And the card's a little damage on the side. Not that bad. Oh, a little damage up there, but that's not bad. Alright, so we need one more truck to complete Mix 4, which is pretty sick, because even though it is June 2nd, June 3rd, whatever this gets uploaded, yeah, it's taken a little bit to complete Mix 4, just because, Jersey, the struggle is real, but we're going to kick off this week pretty good. We got the chase piece at least, the Megalodon training truck. That is pretty sick, and it looks like my action figure, oh, I thought it was missing a hand, or he's in a cast. Oh, that looks really weird. But, yeah, there it is, guys. Nice little surprise today coming home from work. The training truck El Toro Loco. Oh, wow. Megalodon. And that's pretty sick. So, I'm really excited for that. That's pretty cool we got that. And it's even cooler we got these two. So, technically, today I got 2 Megalodons I really needed to the collection. So, that's pretty sick. And with this zombie piece, too. So, not a bad way to kick off June here for the collection. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in another video, and hopefully I can find the last piece to Mix 4, which is Big Kahuna.